In this video, we will cover some of the toolbars used in Dreamweaver CS6 with the Classic Workspace. With Dreamweaver open, I'm going to go ahead and open a new HTML file, and we can see a few more of the toolbars show up. So at the very top, we have the application toolbar. You can find all of the commands you can use in Dreamweaver from these menus. View will allow you to change viewing options. Window will allow you to open and close panels. Commands are various site commands. For most part, we will use view, window, and site. Just below that, in the Classic Workspace, we have the Insert panel, which shows up much more like a toolbar. There are a bunch of different options, and even a favorites option if you want to customize your own toolbar by right-clicking, then clicking Customize Favorites. You can choose from the tabs that are already assigned in the Insert toolbar, take a link or various button you want to add, click the arrows, and there it is. Once I click OK, you'll see that button show up in the Favorites toolbar. Use the trash can to delete buttons off the favorites. Below that, when you have a document open, you'll see the Document toolbar. These three buttons here are probably the most important. You have your three different view options. So you can look at just the HTML code or CSS code. You can look at a split view of the HTML code next to the code in the screen that will show up on the web page. If I created a heading, for example, you'll see that the H1 shows up in the code, and over here this is what it'll look like. So that's what design view is. Design view is just what the page will look like. Code is the actual code, and split is a combination of both. If you don't like the split side by side, you can go to view and click the split vertically so it's unchecked, and you can show a horizontal split. These buttons over here are various buttons for doing different screen sizes. For previewing the files in a web browser, and then various other tools that we will not get into. For the most part, we will be using the design view as well as the split view. The other button next to design is live, which will show the web page as it exists in a browser. And you'll notice that the browser bar changes and we have an actual browser style address bar, as well as some other options to inspect code elements and refresh the page.